Here we are back in the taxi again. This time off to Jomtien to see my friend. Started to rain with a downpour. Going off a bit now, but it's very grey. Traffic a bit quieter than last night, Mr. Cole.
Very much so. I'm just watching him here. They're tempting bowling with all these bikes.
It's like a like a rabbit's warren of sois and streets full of bars, restaurants. Pattaya is a big, busy place. Let's go to Jomtien. Hope the sun's shining there. Hi, I'm Richard. Welcome to my channel, from power lines to power naps. This is my wife, Nui, and together we both left the UK in February 2022 to start and enjoy a new life and new adventures in Phuket, Thailand. Join us on our new journey together and experiences. Sit back and enjoy. Well, can you believe we've come over to Jomtien and it's absolutely chucking it down with rain? And we're going to a beach bar. What's it all about? Oh my God. Welcome to Jomtien Beach.
No, this is not Jomtien.
No, it's not. Sorry, Charlie. Welcome to Charlie's Beach.
Yeah. Soy for Prat and Mac.
Soy for Prat and Mac. It's normally beautiful. It's still Soy Mac, but wet. Wet. Well, we're very close to where we're heading, the Beach Bum Bar, which is Charlie's office. And he's the original Beach Bum. How are you, mate? Good to see you again. Great to see you again.
Love you in Thailand.
You're looking well again, mate. You're looking well.
I'm losing weight. I need a new hip.
Yeah, well, you'll get a new hip and you'll be running again. You've got a beer anyway, so I think we'll join you.
Main thing.
Great to see you. Let's have a chat and see if we can stay dry. All right, mate.
Oh, wow. Be at Mac.
You got a sandcastle bucket?
She says to me,
What a day. Still it rains. My God. Cheers! Whee! Chutney hop. Nice to see you, even if it is wet. My God. Oh my God. Welcome to sunny Jomtien.
this is Prat and Mac, not
Prat and Mac, sorry Cap, Prat and Mac Beach. And it's Nick Noi, wet. My God. Welcome to Thailand. So it's not always beautiful paradise weather. Just occasionally it can be a wet old day. And today it's a very wet old day. Still a few people in the sea though, but they may as well because they're not even get any wetter. Anyway, that's life. Cheers. The one good thing is it's warm rain. Yeah? Well, it's slowly easing. Keep going, Charlie. Beach Bum Bar. It's Charlie's office. He's here every day.
There's the Hong Nam here, Charlie.
Pratanak Beach. And the rain is starting to go a little bit. Ease a little bit. But again, Pratamak Beach. Nice beach. Beautiful sea. Sand, lots of sunbeds. Give it another hour Probably be red hot again here. Loads of opportunities and places to eat, drink and be merry. Let's just hope it improves, but until then we're going to have a little walk round now. The rain is easing. Have a little walk round John TM and maybe grab a spot of lunch. Batamac Beach. It's a bad day, but hey, it's still warm. So, yesterday was great catching up with Charlie, even though the weather was abysmal. Really, really not good at all, but we had a good catch-up time. We had a couple of beers. We had a good mooch around John TM. The weather didn't improve that much, to be fair, but it was good to spend some time with an old colleague. So today, guess what? We're back in the taxi for a change. We're having another taxi ride to the top end of town, and we're going to visit a place where I've been coming to Thailand and Pattaya many years as Carl. But today we're going to visit a place, a cultural place that I've wanted to visit for many years and never got around to it. So this morning we're going to do it. We'll take you there. So where are we? Well, we're here. We're at the Sanctuary of Truth. And it's a museum. We'll take you in a little while. We've got a timed entry to go in. But this museum, the Sanctuary of Truth, is a building featured in the style of the old ancient Bangkok, which was called Ayutthaya. And it's been built within that time frame of building architecture style. Now it's a totally 100% wooden constructed, and it's all hand carved. I believe there's not one 6-inch nail or screw or pin or bar holding this together. It is all skillfully jointed by master carpenters, or pegged and doweled or glued. There's not a screw or a nail in the place. I nearly said in the joint then, but I would have been wrong. So let's take a look around and enjoy a place I've always wanted to come to for many years, the Sanctuary of Truth. There's also, it's like a theme park. We probably shan't stay that long because it's very hot again today, unlike the other day. But there's theme park, there's mini zoos, there's elephant rides, there's boat rides, there's gardens, there's cafeterias. It's pretty much everything. But we're here to see the masters of the hand carving. Check out those beautiful flowers too. Gorgeous.
Where we can discover the world peace through the arts.
And that is the first view we have of the Sanctuary of Truth. Just look at that for an intricate building. Totally hand carved. We just wait for our time to be called in now, in the heat. I'm here at last.
To let people understand that despite these facts, we still can live together. First, a man
You can even get traditional Thai dresses made up here.
Of a good person with a solid and genuine intention.
Look nice on the high street, eh?
Towards
Okay, Captain. Let's a go.
Let's go!
Let's a go. So we've been issued with Ardats. I thought it was being conscripted back into the power line trade for a minute, but The reason, I think, will become clear, that this is an ongoing, unfinished project of fine detail. And why it's unfinished, I suspect it always will be unfinished. Anyway, we got to talk now.
Anybody
Be
first
quiet.
time in Thailand? His first time in Thailand. Oh, most of you. And for the next one of our introduction, let me introduce myself. Excuse me. Where you from? Where you from? Ni hao. Xing Zhuo Deng Yi Xian ah. Okay, everyone.
Sit down.
And for the next one,
you
let
going.
me introduce myself. My name is Ah. I will be the tourist guide for all of you. Okay. Our tour will come just 45 minutes or 1 hour. And then.
Beautiful. So, hey, Mac.
Whoever's coming out with her, I'll be Tom. Go in with her. Come on.
Next to us, this is the workshop of Coffee Department.
Some of these pieces must take months and months just to make. All hand carved. Ready? Wow. I'd probably spend 6 months on one of these pieces and break it in half for the last hit. Every company's got a lucky. Oh, all these people. All hand carved. This is a huge piece that's under construction.
We use only wood as material, no other one, exactly without material or material also. However, except this one is special.
And where are all these pieces heading for? I'll show you. Every piece goes into this phenomenal structure.
Well done, alright. And for the last example, this one called tuck and glue. Tuck and glue used for the wall or the floor of this building. It's combined like this. And it can also combine like this also. It can combine both sides. Alright, but now, what's all in this house? The winter is for one and
There's a joint for everything. All these different joints, and some of them really butterfly joint, lap joint, tongue and groove. They use dovetail, long dovetail, carrying pole, some great clever joints, and it holds it all together. Pretty damn clever, eh? This is all pretty crazy to take in. How many years worth of hand carving is there in that? And not a nail or a screw on the site.
supposedly is very long, right? Supposedly all of them is very long. But for the babies of life, this is the army that led by Ravana. Philippines, the Maki as Kusai and Ashna or Demon as the back.
Chiang Noi, little elephant. Well, quite big really, I suppose. They call it the unfinished Sanctuary of Truth. I'm not sure if I said that a few minutes ago, but truth is it's not finished and I don't think it ever will be. It's just, you keep adding to it and adding to it. And well, looking at the space around it, they've got an ultimate endless scope of room to continue for many years, hundreds maybe, who knows. Anyone that does slightly carving for a living, or a carpenter or cabinet maker anywhere in the world, to visit this place must be timber heaven. Obviously I think it's all teak and extreme hardwood. Bloody unbelievable.
Now everyone, let's go because I know you want. Okay? Let's go.
Even the steps are all edge carved.
For the first part of our museum display, please. Alright. Sawadika. For the first part of our display, please.
Yeah, 80 year products.
It's just crazy.
Of life, the main concept of this museum is a confirmation of who we are and where we came from. No matter of us are different, such as nationality, belief, religion, or anything else. But all of us are compounded by the four classical elements in our body, independent of us. So, everyone, the artwork in each corner tells us about this concept and more information of philosophy symbolic. For the first one, the element of earth, represented by the mountain, forest, and bone muscle. This one is the symbol of
How mad is this?
Next, the element of water. The element of wind is represented by the swirling cord and open leaf. In our body, it means breathing or oxygen. Exactly. This is the symbol of air again, but not air conditioner. Just kidding. And for the last one, the element of fire, represented by. So we should deserve the same treat. We should deserve the same respect because we are the same human being. Alright, so now let's move on to the part of the museum. This way, please. Anyone on this way, please?
为地位，每个人都是来自四大元素。这些真理可以让我们
And a beautiful setting on the ocean as well.
并愿意接受事实，即每个人都是平等的。
All
因此，
hands
我们应该
calm.
平等地对待每一个
Can't
人。
even
这是
begin
第一个人生真理。
Well, I can't
通过木雕来
to get my head round it all.
土雕刻的是土地、森林里的动物。
You can see this column, the picture representing politeness and saying good thing to other. One woman talking with each other by smiling face. This picture is a symbol of taking care of our parents, represented by the picture of one woman providing them for her father. With her father is I'll show you the picture around here. This one, take this one. You can see this column, a picture representing
And the fine detail, just amazing. Simply amazing. I just found on these pillars here, you can see all the fine detail, the panels, the curved panels, and then You can see the pillars that have not been clad yet. Work in progress. Probably about for the next 10 years just for this one pillar.
Okay, next story is about presenting the Western
Absolutely balmy. But so glad I got here at last. It's only taken about 10, 12 years. All right, mate. Good now.
Oh, brilliant.
Unbelievable. I'm probably filming this for you so you don't have to. But I would definitely recommend coming to Thailand anyway. Even more so to Phuket to come and see us. But definitely to Pattaya and come and see this. Google it and you'll get the story from it. I can't listen to the story too much because I'm too busy filming it for you guys to watch, but me and Carl have just said totally balmy, speechless, and you can't get your brain round it. And again, extremely hot. King Rama 9, if I'm not mistaken. R.I.P. your good sir. What a great guy. I've just seen some access, how they get up and do some of this carving and fit it. The ladder. It's as steep as hell. Look at that. No cherry pickers in here.
Slide before we start the next part. Can I ask you some question? Okay.
Okay, if I just sneak away somewhere a little bit quieter. Let's sneak over here a little bit. I'm going to try and find my group, my tour group again, and maybe try and learn and listen to something what she's said. I've already lost Carl and my group 4 times. I've been part of a Russian group, Japanese group and a Chinese group so far, but I couldn't understand what the hell the tour guide was saying. So I'm going to find my group, try and learn a little bit about this place. Amazing, come and have a look. I'm going to leave that one now. Thank you again for watching. Oh, she's following me, bloody hell. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the new subscribers. I'm really pleased. The numbers are growing nicely a little bit. Please keep it up. Again, if you've subscribed, I thank you from my heart. If you've not, you know what to do. Please join the From Power Lines to Power Naps. Evening all. Family. Like, share. Do all them amazing things for me. Tell all your friends. Leave me a comment. And until then, thanks again. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Thank you very much.